Hey everyone, Jules Wilson with Seven Gables Real Estate. I'm so excited to do a walkthrough tour with you of our latest listing at 6525 Norwood Avenue here in Riverside. Now there's some really special things about this property, but I'm going to start with the inside. Now this is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath. It's 1,452 square feet. The seller came in and really spared no expense, from the beautiful countertops to the all-new appliances to the cabinets. These are really nice cabinets with the European hinges, which I really love. There's also these self-closing drawers. So he's done a really good job on this. Now there's also the hardwood vinyl plank flooring that's so popular these days. But what's really great about this, it's very durable to kids and dogs and high heels like I seem to be wearing. So fabulous kitchen. He put in all new lighting. There's another thing that's kind of cool is this door here will take you out to the backyard. Which we'll look at later, but just to let you know. Another thing that's really nice is there is the indoor stackable washer dryer laundry, so you don't have to go out to the outside to do that. Now, stepping in the hallway here, what the seller did do is he basically continued the nice flooring throughout the house. If you wanted to put in, of course, area rugs to warm it up a bit, you could do that, but it's all fresh and clean and light and bright. Now, both bathrooms also are all new. I don't know how much we can see in here, but we're gonna step into the bathroom. Really cool, I don't know if it's marble or marble-like flooring, some type of tile. Everything's new, the countertop, the sink, the flooring, and I'm gonna step out of the way of my camera guy here so he can catch the shower. Look how cool, a frameless shower door with beautiful fixtures, if you can see that. He did a great job, and it's an oversized shower with a really high faucet, or I should say a shower spout. The other thing is the hallways are a little bit wider than average, it appears, so this house just feels really light and open. So if you can step into the bathroom there and check that out, that does have a shower over tub. Once again, cool fixtures. Of course, the new toilet and the new countertop and sink. The other 2 bedrooms, if you can just do a quick walk into the bedrooms there, there's fans in both those rooms as well. And everything is just light and bright. And stepping into the living room area, what I really like about the living room area is the picture window out to the front. Now this is an area of Riverside that's a lot of it's horse property, but what this has an acre, a lot, just under an acre, which means you can have your horses. It's also zoned R3. You could put a couple ADUs and generate some rental income. Now this is also in an opportunity zone. So for you investors out there who know about that, there are some real tax benefits to that. Now let's step outside real quick. The sun's kind of bright today, so we might get blown out, but it has a nice big sliding door. And going out to the backyard, check out this beautiful, beautiful yard. Once again, it's just under an acre, easy to put a couple ADUs or just for those horses. Oh, another thing I forgot, it has a huge eating area right off the kitchen. So from the kitchen to the dining eating area to the living room, it's nice, light, bright, and open. So let's take a look at the outside real quick. You didn't see the entrance. What I do really love is it has a circular driveway. And if we can just turn around here and take a look at the porch, it's just really, really nice and charming. A lot of room for cars, and of course, a really charming entrance. So give me a call, Jules Wilson, Seven Gables Real Estate, 949-478-0139. I would love to give you a private tour of this property.